Now, let's see how to deploy our SAP UI5 application in the Neo environment. Let's scroll down and go to Neo environment. Now we are inside the Neo environment. On the left hand side, we have option to deploy the HTML5 application. Let's click on it. Here we have two options, new application and import from file. On the new application button, we can create a new SAP UI5 application and then deploy it here. In the second option, import from file, we can import an already existing SAP UI5 application that we have built in some local web IDE or into the other third-party tool. So let's see how this new application works. Let's click on the new application and create our first SAP UI5 application inside the SAP Cloud Platform Neo environment. Here we need to write the name of the application. I will write Z Cloud App. On Save button. So now our application is created. Now we need to write some code inside this application container. So here we have option to delete this application, and through this button we can stop the application if it is already live, and this button is used to start the application in case it is stopped using this button. And fourth button is to edit the application using the online SAP Web IDE edition. So let's edit our Z Cloud app using the SAP Web IDE. It will open the SAP Web IDE in a new tab. Now it is asking us to clone the source code of Z Cloud app inside the Git. So as of now, I do not want to clone it, so I will click on the cancel button. Git is an open source tool that is used for version management of any application source code. Let's go to the workspace and create our first UI5 application. I will right click on this workspace, click on new, then I will create a project from a template. Now I have already available a lot of templates, so I will select SAP UI5 application, click on next button, and here I will write the name of the application that I had given in the previous screen. So I will write C Cloud app. Here I will write namespace of the app. So namespace is done. I will click on next button. Here I can create a view. So I will write main view. I will click on the next button and then I will click on the finish button. It may take some time. So now our application is created with some pre-written code. So let's write our own logic inside the view and the controller. I will go inside the view and here I can edit the title of the application. Let me just show you what our application look like as of now without the custom changes. To run the application, I will click on this button, then run as web application. It is asking me to run which file I want to run. So I will select the index.html and click on OK. So now in the new tab, it is executing our application. So as of now, our application is blank with a default theme of gray color and the title is coming as title. Let's go to SAP Web IDE and edit this page. So here I will add in the content, I will add a button. I will write its text and I will write an event on the click of the press button. Now I will close this button. I will save it. And to edit the title of our application, I will have to go to i89 folder and then inside the property, I will edit the title. I will write first SAP UI5 application in Neo. I will press Ctrl plus S to save the changes, and inside the controller I will write the logic for the click functionality. On press, I want to give an alert Now I will save it. It is showing me an error. Actually, it is a warning that I should not use an alert, but for the demo purpose, I'm using this alert function. It is not recommended by SAP to use this alert function. So I will press Ctrl plus S to save the changes, and now I will go to our application and then reload this page to see the changes that I have made. Here you can see the title of our application has changed. First SAP UI5 application in Neo, and now I have a button, click me. If I click on this button, then I will get a pop-up saying that it is clicked. So now this is our application. I have created just a basic application. You can create any application, any complex application with OData binding or with Fiori elements, anything. Let's go back to our SAP Web IDE. Now the creation part is done.